Natural or synthetic? Essential oils or fragrance oils? When it comes to perfume, the conversation can get confusing, especially around safety and hormone disruption. Let's break it down, without falling into the natural is always safer trap. Endocrine disruptors are chemicals that can interfere with our hormones. They can mimic or block hormonal signals and affect things like development, fertility, metabolism, and immunity. Many synthetic fragrances contain pH phthalates or synthetic musks. These are often linked to hormone disruption, fertility issues, metabolic disorders, and even cancer. The problem? Most products don't disclose them. They're hidden under vague labels like fragrance or Perfume. Natural perfumes are still made of chemicals, just plant-based ones. Essential oils like lavender, tea tree, and fennel contain compounds that can act like hormones in the body too. In rare cases, long-term use has even been linked to hormonal changes in children. So yes, natural can be potent, and it deserves respect. The real issue isn't natural versus synthetic. It's context, dose, and transparency. Know what you're working with, dilute properly, avoid sensitizers on children, and always patch test. And if a product won't disclose what's in it, that's your red flag. The truth? Natural isn't automatically clean, and synthetic isn't always dirty. But when you blend with knowledge, you create safely. That's what we teach at the Natural Perfume Academy. No greenwashing, just grounded skill. Curious to learn the full craft of natural perfumery? Explore our CPD certified diploma course at npacertification.com. Links in the description. See you there.